This is Dan here at Imperial Sportbikes. We are getting ready to show you how to install the cruise control and the race features on the 26 Aprilia RSV4 1100 standard. First, we're going to go into settings on our dash. So first we're going to hold down on the forward arrow there, or the right arrow, whichever one you want to call it. Then you go up to user. Go here. We've already installed the PMP system on here, so we can connect our phone to it. So then I go to device pairing. We'll go find my device, add a new device. So it's going to search. I'm going to go in here to settings. It's going to pull up here's what it's called on your phone. So we're going to go there. So then I'm going to go find my phone on here.
And what app is that?
This is the Aprilia app that you could get off Google Store or Apple Store.
Okay.
Smartphone.
Boom.
So connect.
There we go.
Allow. So now we're going to go through here. Allow once. Allow while using the app is what I always click on. I'm going to get the VIN off this bike, so it's going to be a second. It's going to ask you service date. I'm going to hit confirm on that. Click over, I accept, hit confirm. Hit next, next, next.
Basically just getting the app
Okay.
set up.
Yep.
Now that the MIA's connected, the phone actually will connect to your RSV4.
Yep, so now I'm connected to it right there. So navigation. No license, hit OK. I'm going to click right here, start now. Start now. It says it's for 3 years good.
So it's a 3-year subscription for the navigation?
Yep, they haven't told us if it's going to be free after those 3 years or not.
Okay.
So far, no one's had to pay for it if they bought the older models and did the PMP system. Navigation functions. Okay, so it does ask you, but now to get the maps and everything, go back home. Okay, notifications are turned off for me. Hit cancel. I'm going to go into navigation here. So this is how you do the navigator. So then, 1 BRY, Bryant Street, Denver, Colorado. Hit go. And then if I scroll through on my screen with my right arrow, there's the navigation set up.
Nice.
Right there.
Okay.
So the navigation does come free on this one. Now we're going to get into how we get to the cruise control to get that set up. You do have to pay that.
And
It is $88.
And what's the difference between the factory and the standard?
The factory comes with everything on the RSV4s. You have to buy the track pack and the cruise control on the standards.
And that's the difference, is a lot of people don't realize the standard RSV4 lineup does not come with cruise control. You have to get it.
The factory RSV4 also comes with a GPS unit as well.
Yeah.
For track riding.
The standard does not, so you have to add the MIA, and then you have to purchase the separate package on your phone after you've synced it up.
So now we're going to purchase the separate package on my phone. So it comes up this because it doesn't find it. So the advanced features are available to unlock. So hit OK. So then we're going to go with the comfort pack, our cruise control. It's $89. Goes right to Italy. Purchase. Confirm your in-store purchase, agree, all that good stuff. It's going to ask you for a credit card. So I'm going to click purchase again. So now that we've paid for it, got it, it's going to come up with this, successful. I've got the comfort pack installed on this, hit OK. So now I can go back and do the track pack, race pack, comfort pack.
Okay, let's take a look at that real quick. There you go.
So now to verify I got my comfort pack set up on this, we'll hold down on the cruise control switch.
And
Green light pops up. So now if you're in third gear, going 35 miles or faster, you can engage cruise control. You can't touch anything or it shuts it off. So that is how you get the comfort pack. So what's included in the comfort pack is you get cruise control and you get bending lights for enhanced visibility. So now if I want to do the track pack, I get race view page for TFT dashboard, multi-level launch control, pit limiter function, predictive slide control management of traction control. So that's going to be if the bike starts stepping out, you can allow it to step out certain levels, and then it'll bring it back.
Yeah.
So we're going to shut off the cruise control just by holding down again. And then we're going to look at what the race pack is. That's where you have to have the GPS. You have to buy that as well. That all comes standard on the factory. We're going to go ahead and...
So just to clarify, the GPS is another separate purchase from the MIA to get the race package, because that way the GPS can talk.
Yep.
At the tracks.
Yep. At certain tracks, the GPS will work. It will automatically, since it has electronic suspension on the factories, it will automatically adjust stuff on the fly.
This one, I'm assuming it just adjusts the onboard electronics.
Yes, the traction control, the wheelie control, and the engine braking.
So it'll corner to corner, which is, I know what a lot of the Superbikes do, adjust the internal electronics. Like
yes, the traction control going around certain corners, because it's all based off the GPS unit that you have to buy separately.
Yeah.
And then each pack, so like the first one was $89. The next two are $119 for the race pack. The track pack is also $119.
Yeah. And there's a misconception when this bike came out that we thought it was like the previous gen where it had cruise control and all that, but then we found out that the standards, the Tuono standards and the RSV4 standards, don't come with any of that.
Nope, you have to add the PIMP system, which is $249, plus the installation kit, which is $15.
And it has to be the 4.0 unit, because there's other units out there, right?
Yes, it has to be the latest and greatest for the 2026 models and up.
Yeah. You notice the dash has changed pretty significantly too, with the nav installed. There's a lot more settings to play with.
Yeah, because this is now the Bluetooth settings. So now with all the Bluetooth stuff, I could go connect my phone to it, play my music, talk to people, see who's calling in, see text message, and I get the maps. Turn by turn, so it's pretty cool. And if I have a headset, it will play through that as well. Tell me the sound, tell me which way to go, directional.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll go over how to do the track pack after a while. Thank you.
Thanks, Dan. That's Dan at Imperial Sportbikes. I'm Dylan at Imperial Sportbikes, and we'll see you in the next video.